If you've lost access to the email associated with your Dribbble account, you can still recover it by following these steps. This guide will help you regain access quickly. Step 1. Visit the Dribbble login page. Go to the Dribbble website and navigate to the login page. Here, you will find options for account recovery. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. This will take you to the password recovery options. Step 3. Enter your username. Instead of your email, enter your Dribbble username in the provided field. This is crucial for identifying your account without needing access to your email. Step 4. Check for alternative recovery options. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Follow instructions and reset password. If you receive a recovery link through an alternative method, follow the instructions provided to reset your password and regain access to your account. If you follow these steps, you should be able to recover your Dribbble account without needing your email. Good luck!